Welcome viewers. In this video we'll see the two-port network transformation from one parameter to another parameter and condition for reciprocal. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic. In a two-port network, various parameters are available. There is 6 parameters are available. In this video, we are going to see the how to transfer from one parameter to another parameter and condition for reciprocal. Here we are considering the Y parameter, short circuit admittance Y parameter. So remaining 5 parameters are we are going to express in terms of Y parameter. Now we'll see this one by one. First Y parameter is given. The matrix is Y11, Y12, Y21, Y22. What is the Y parameter? Short circuit admittance parameter. So the output side is short circuited. In case of Z means open circuited. That is impedance parameter. Now we'll see what is Y11. Y11 is I1 by V1. So short circuit input admittance. All are short circuit only. Here refer this I1 V1 means input. So I by V means admittance, right? So input side admittance, short circuit input admittance. Then Y12 is I1 by V2. See here both input current and output voltage is available. So that short circuit reverse transfer admittance because of input and output is called a transfer admittance. Y21 is I2 by V1. So second, the output port current and input port voltage is there. So that short circuit forward transfer admittance. Because of input and output is called a transfer admittance. Earlier is reverse transfer admission. This one forward transfer admittance. Then Y22 is nothing but I2 by V2. See both are output side. Output voltage and output current. So that short circuit output admittance. Delta Y is nothing but determinant of the Y matrix. So based on that we can go for the transformation from Y parameter to other parameters. First we will see the Z parameter. So it is open circuit input, open circuit impedance parameter. How it is expressed? Y22 divided by delta Y minus Y12 divided by delta Y minus Y21 divided by delta Y. Y11 divided by delta Y. So the numerator is different, denominator is same, delta Y. Numerator is different. Then ABCD parameter. What is ABCD parameter? Is a transmission. ABCD parameter refers transmission parameter. First referring AB minus Y22 divided by Y21 minus 1 by Y21. While referring CD, delta Y divided by Y21 minus Y11 divided by Y21. So the denominator is Y21 for all the parameter, only numerator is changing. Then A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, that is inverse transmission parameter. These parameters normally used in a transmission line while designing the transmission line. So A dash, B dash is minus Y11 divided by Y12. Minus 1 by Y12. While referring C dash D dash minus delta Y divided by Y12 minus Y22 divided by Y12. So the denominator is Y12 for all the cases. Numerator is different. Then hybrid parameter. What is hybrid parameter? Normally in Z and Y parameter we are expressing current in terms of voltage or voltage in terms of current. But in case of hybrid, both are available. Input voltage and output current is expressed in output voltage and input current like that. Both are expressed. That's why it's called a hybrid parameter. Separate video available for all the parameters. So what is the equivalent? 1 divided by Y11 minus Y12 divided by Y11. Y21 divided by Y11. Delta Y divided by Y11. So the denominator is Y11, only numerator is changing. Inverse. Now the inverse G, inverse hybrid parameter. G, that is delta Y divided by Y22. Y12 divided by Y22. Minus Y21 divided by Y22. 1 divided by Y22. Denominator is y2 to only numerator changing. Then the condition for reciprocal is y12 equal to y21. This is the condition. So in this video, we discuss how the z parameter is expressed for all other 5 parameters. Y, A, B, C, D, inverse transmission parameter A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. Then hybrid parameter, inverse hybrid parameter. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening. All the best for your examination.